this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Stretch Out. It's a very nice upbeat song. We're in the key of C, and this was requested by Carl Thorne. Thank you so much, Carl, for giving us such an awesome song to work on today. To kick things off, let me show you what I'm working with. I have can you see that? I have my vitamin water, zero sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna crack that open in a little bit, but I would love it if you could go to your favorite refrigerator, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with me, your favorite instructor in the whole wide world, me, AK. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, guys, we're in the key of C. Let's get it. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we're going to do our norm. We're going to stretch our fingers. Let's go ahead and stretch our knuckles. Let's get them warmed up. All right, let's get ready to play Stretch Out. That was Stretch Out. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. Easy song. We're going to start off with the intro. So intro start off like, that's like your typical gospel intro, right? So we're on a 3. We're playing this C dominant 7 chord. Going to our F chord on the 4. And we're playing our E flat diminished 7 on the 5 flat. Regular C chord on the 5. Nice turnaround chord. B flat 7 flat 5 on our 5. Then we're going into our song. When days are dark and cloudy on the sky, I wanna learn to stretch out. All right, let me give you that. This is your typical gospel shout run, okay? So all we're doing is we're playing our C chord on the 1. We're going to our 3, 4. Right here on the 5 flat, we're playing our F chord, our C chord on the 5. And then the rest, we're just walking up to the 6, 7 flat, 7, and back to the 1. Now, that first beginning, we're just doing that 3 times. That's 1, 2, 3, stop. Now, right here, we're playing the A flat, G. Right here on the G flat, you're changing your bass to a 2. And then you're playing A, C, E, and then we're playing our chord on the 5, and that chord is a G dominant 7 chord. So now we have a new bass run we have to learn. All right, we're in the key of G now. Believe it or not, we're in the key of G. We're playing the same run, but we're in the key of G now. So that is in the key of G, that's 1, 3, 4, 5 flat, 5, 6, 7 flat, 7, and back to your 1. Now in the key of G, I'm just staying right here on this G dominant 7 chord. I'm not going back and forth because I'm already here, so I'm just going to keep it there. Right? You will do that 3 times and then you will stop. Now you're playing this chord right here. Pretend like we're back in C and we're playing on the 5 flat. Now we're playing. Guys, we're in the key of F now. Isn't that crazy? All right, so now we're playing the F dominant 7 chord, and our bass run is pretend like we're in the key of F now. 1, 3, 4, 5 flat, 5, same run. 6, 7 flat, 7, and back to the 1. All right, we're doing that 3 times. Here we go. All right, now what we have just did was modulated to the key of D. I know, I got you. Okay, so what we're doing is we're playing this F dominant 7. That's our 1 in the key of F. And we're going to our 7 in the key of F. We're playing this D dominant 7 chord. Now we're playing a 7 flat in the key of F, and we're playing our E flat dominant 7. Now we're in the key of D. Pretend like we're in the key of D now. And we're playing our D dominant 7 chord. All right, here we go. All right, we have a new bass run, and it's in the key of D. Same bass run, but it's new to us, right? Because we're in another key. So we're playing a 1, the 3, the 4, the 5 flat, the 5, the 6, 7 flat, 7, and 1. And we're playing our D dominant 7. So we're doing that 2 times. Right before you finish playing on that last one, you would go to the G. And here's your chord for G. We're back in the key of C major now, guys. I know. All right, so we're back in the key of C major. What we're doing is we're playing the 5, the 4, and a regular G chord to this B augmented chord. And then we start all over again. Guys, this is pretty much the whole song. If you want more, let me know so I can give it to you, but I will call this a lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is there's power in the blood. I heard a story about a poisonous snake that slithered onto a farm. As it moved around, it spotted a horse, bit it, and the horse collapsed. The venom quickly spread and the horse didn't survive. The snake then saw a cow and struck again. Just like before, the poison did its job and the cow fell. But when the snake bit a sheep, something unexpected happened. Instead of collapsing like the others, the sheep kept standing. The snake, however, ended up dying instead. A doctor came to the farm to investigate. He wanted to know why the sheep survived while the other animals didn't. After running tests, he found the answer. Something in the sheep's blood neutralized the venom, making it powerless. This story made me realize something important. Just like a snake's bite is meant to kill, people can bite with their words, trying to hurt your confidence and self-worth. But the good news is, when we are covered by the blood of Jesus, the poison of negativity, criticism, and hate can't destroy us. His blood protects us, turning what was meant to harm us into something that has no power at all. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Awesome job. Guys, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. And also, Carl, thank you so much for giving us that awesome song to work on today. Guys, we are at 1,600 subscribers. This is the time I tell you that we are on the road to, what is it? 1 million. I heard somebody in the back tell me 1 million. Go ahead and give it up for the 1 million. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for inviting your friends, everyone that you know, to this awesome channel. Guys, we have a Facebook page. Go and check it out. It's me playing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you do as well. I would love it if someone could give me a request on Facebook. That is none other than viewers' requests. You tell me a song and I play it. That's Facebook Numerical Melodies. Go and check it out. And we have a bell. When you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. Right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that. I think it takes like 3 seconds. We're going to try 3, 2, 1. Bam! You just hit it. And you just hit the bell. Thank you. You just made my day. Guys, you're not just playing music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.